to move. Oh, I gotta get next to you. But you're so far.
Hey guys, your boy Primetime Brian. I'm back with another vlog video, man. Today, I'm going back to school. It's 10 a.m. right now, so I'm gonna take you guys with me to get ready. I got class at 1 p.m. So I gotta shower, you know, eat and all that stuff. Kind of excited, you know, I haven't been to school in a couple months. It's great to be back. So let's get it. Wow! Hey guys, so I just got done taking a shower. So you can see, natural curly hair. I'm gonna let it air dry for a little bit. Okay guys, so I'm done getting ready. As you can see, it's my outfit. Saying Apple Watch, H&M sweater, Reebok Classics, and Hollister pants. Alright guys, now I'm walking to my first class, which is public speaking, and I hate public speaking. The only thing I don't miss about this place is that when you park super far, you gotta fucking, excuse my language, you gotta walk like super far. It's like super annoying. I'd be out of breath by the time I get to class. But anyways, I'm gonna catch you guys after. What's going on, guys? I just got out of public speaking. It went pretty good, you know, got icebreakers and everything. And now I'm gonna go meet my friend Steve and talk about YouTube businesses and stuff like that. You know, we're gonna talk about new skits and all that stuff. So coming soon. So yeah, look for it. Steve Robinson. What's going on, bro? Good, good. How you been? Alright guys, if you guys don't know, it's my friend Steve. And Steve's my YouTube partner. So I guess we're here today to talk about ideas. Right? We're gonna be reunited again and making content.
About time, dog. About time, but this is the perfect time.
Perfect timing, right?
Plus my schedule's a lot better now.
Alright guys, we just got done. Boy Steve.
First of all, I don't even know why I'm on camera. I should be pressing charges. First of all, I deserve a check.
You gotta relax. He's gonna be on camera regardless.
Is there any compensation or a stipend going on?
Not at the moment. But anyways guys, we got good ideas coming by. We talked a lot of ideas. We're trying to get you. Oh, nice. We're trying to get as much content as possible for you guys and all that stuff.
Get the camera on my phone.
Yo, what do you think? You think should we do like a group channel, or should we do like
What do you mean?
like a group channel?
I would all different people.
Or should we do like our own individual channels, do our skits together, and then post it whoever's idea was? We're on the 4th floor, it's a food. Alright, so yeah, we're over here trying to get free food because we're cheap like that.
My life was all gone and I was like,
yeah, I'll be fucking disappointed because you made me walk up here. But anyways guys, yeah, so we just talked ideas. We got a lot of content coming and short films.
2018.
2018 is our year, it's now. So anyways guys, right now trying to get some food and alright guys, so we just came to the 4th floor because I heard it was free food.
Brian,
He told me, he said it was free food. He lied to me. He lied to
I
me.
didn't know what the fuck's going on. I was like, who would have free food, first of all?
After not seeing him for like almost a year, he comes back. He comes back.
I don't like anything free.
Guys, he comes back. He comes back and tells me, oh, sorry, there's no food here.
I'm gonna pay you.
So what he basically did was he fed me lies. I'm full off of lies. Thanks a lot, Steve.
No problem.
Thanks a lot, alright? Alright guys, so we just got out of the math class. Well, I wasn't really in there for long. 15 minutes went by, the teacher didn't show up. So we ended up leaving. Class ended up leaving. So right now I'm on my way to my house. I'm gonna eat something real quick. Then I'm going to the gym for the chest and triceps today. And yeah, I'm gonna get it in. Day 1 out of 30. I'm gonna try my progression from day 1 to 30. See how that goes. Alright, so I'll catch you guys in about 2 hours or so. So later. Hey, what's going on, man? It's your boy Primetime Brian. I'm back with another vlog. Sorry, I'm starting this one kind of quick and out of nowhere, but I'm running late to class right now. Got accounting class right now. It's Tuesday. Yesterday was Monday. I apologize for not uploading that vlog, but I'm gonna be uploading 2 of them today. Yeah, I'm already running out of breath how fast I'm going, but yeah, I'm gonna make 2 of them today. So gonna be 2 uploads today. The longer one's gonna be the one from yesterday, and today I'm going to class, and after that I'm gonna go to Walmart to buy some khakis because I got a job interview at 5, and so yeah, that's what's going on today. And then I'm going to the gym, so yeah, that's what's going on today, guys. So see you after class. Hey, what's up, guys? I'm back in my house. I apologize for this vlog. It's gonna be a little bit jumpy because it's raining outside, so I can't really whip out my vlog. Well, can't whip out my vlogging camera outside because, you know, it's raining, and I don't want to risk my camera getting water damage because it's really coming down hard, and or like the little droplets getting on the screen. But yeah, I'm back home right now. I have a 2-hour break before my next class, and you know, I don't live that far. And look who it is, my puppy. Hey, boy. Hey. His name's Gucci. It's like my son. It's my son. I'm not doing nothing pretty serious right now. I'm just going to make myself something to eat because I am starving. And it's basically lunchtime right now. And yeah, I'll catch you guys when I'm back in school. Alright guys, I'm back in school, and I'm going to Introduction to Business. Should be fun. Alright guys, I'm back at my house. Nothing really interesting happened. I just went to the gym after I got out of class, my last class. And now I'm just chilling home, about to eat, and then go to bed, get ready for school again tomorrow. But yeah, so I'm put up the Monday's vlog and today's vlog. So I hope you guys like it. And if you do, please leave a like, subscribe, and please comment any other type of videos you like to see. Either reaction videos, funny videos. I actually want to know what you guys think, you know? I actually want to make my channel like a good channel for you guys. And I want you guys to enjoy content and have a good place to have laugh. But yeah, it's your boy Primetime Brian, signing out. Love you guys. Peace.